Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with my first Christmas video, which is a Dollar Tree DIY cloche or a globe. If you want to see how I put it together, just keep on watching. Now here are the items that you will need for this DIY. First, I have this cloche that I DIY'd a few months back, and I'll leave a link for you below to check out that video. You will also need a plate of your choice. This one I've had for a very long time and it goes well with this cloche. I picked up some berries, silver and gold from the Dollar Tree. And remember, you can go ahead at the Dollar Tree and pick up the items of your choice and colors of your choice. I also picked up this faux poinsettia from the Dollar Tree as well. Very pretty, and this one has a clip attached to it so you can clip it to your items. I picked up this cute little reindeer and I got it in this white color and gold, but for this project I'll be using the white. I picked up this super cute little house that's gold. It is so beautiful. It's actually an ornament, but it's a house today, okay? Then I picked up this 2-pack of miniature Christmas trees. The Dollar Tree also has this in white. I got me some faux snow. Another pack of faux snow, but the one before I like that it has the glitter in it. And I'll also be using this leftover roll of ribbon that I've had for a while as well. So it can be optional. You can either use the ribbon or you can use the poinsettia. And I'm using this one little styrofoam ball to elevate my ornament in the back as well as my hot glue gun. For this project, I'm going to be removing the berries from the ornament because, you know, red is not a part of this project. So they're easy to come off. I just hold it tightly and just pull them off really easily. The next step is to place the items on the plate in the position that you desire them to be. I'm first going to start with my house, and then I'll be adding the Christmas trees. So you first want to lay them out before you adhere them to the plate. Now I know you're wondering what that little styrofoam ball is for. What I'm going to use it to do is to elevate my ornament, so placing it on the plate and then adhering the ornament to it to give it a little bit of height. Now that I have a good idea of where I want my pieces to be placed, I'm just going to use the hot glue gun and add just little dabs of glue and then place them down, starting with the styrofoam ball. Placing it down, press it in firmly, and then I will add the ornament on top of that. Guys, remember that you'll be adding your cloche on top of all the items, so be sure to place them in the center of the plate to get your cloche on top of them quite easily. And after adding all the items, this is what it looks like. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to add our snow. Now I'm going to add the snow, and I'm using the ones that look like pebbles first for the bottom. You can use as much or as little as you want, guys. Remember, it is your snow. It can either be a snowstorm or it can be flurries, okay? But just put as much as you desire to your project. Now I'm going to add the other snow, and I really like this one because it has little glitters in it. It kind of looks exactly like when it snows on the outside. Now guys, you can use both or you can choose one. The choice is yours. In this case, I wanted to use both. So pour on as much or as little as you want. Remember, it's your project and you can do it however you see fit. And after the snow, this is what it looks like, guys. And now I'm just going to carefully place the cloche on top of it all. Isn't that cute? Now that the cloche is on, guys, I'm just going to use the berries to decorate the edge of the plate. Now this is an additional step. It's your choice. You could leave it as is, or you could go ahead like myself and add the berries to the outer portion of the plate just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. As you can see, I've removed the berries from the stems, and I'm just adding some hot glue to it and placing it down firmly on the edge of the plate. And once it sets, you can basically turn it to the direction that you prefer. I will be alternating the gold and the silver all the way around the perimeter. Now this is what it looks like after I've added the berries, but I'm going to take it one step further and use this pick with some broken branches. I'm going to cut it apart and add it in between the berries, and when we come back, I will show you how I style it. And here it is, guys. It turned out absolutely great. I just love the way it looks. Now I have these battery operated lights that I had from last Christmas, and I just added a couple strings to the base of the tray that I have it sitting in. Then I have it sitting on a cake stand, so I added lights on the bottom and around the wreath area. So you can see the little greenery that I added from that pick that I cut apart. I just randomly placed them, and I just absolutely love the way it looks. Now you could also add the lighting on the inside, but I did not want a chance taking the cloche off again and messing up the whole thing, so I just added my lights on the outside. As you can see here, guys, I've added the bow to it, and I know I'm not the best bow maker, but I think I did okay given my limited bow making skills. So it looks beautiful together. I think it just adds a little bit more pizzazz. But go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the overall DIY, as well as do you like it with or without the bow? And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in and spending some time with me looking at how I put this DIY together. I hope you like it. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I post videos such as this. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalomi, saying bye-bye.